Hello and welcome to King Dave Motorsports presents Bracket Racing on the Ice. Conditions extremely slick today, so it'll be purely a driver's race. When we show you how the bracket racing works, we're going to have 2 qualifying laps per driver, and then they'll be able to pick a time based on their practices. We had a couple of tuners show up today, getting them a little loose out there. And here we are in the grand finals. King Dave coming to the block. Starting off at the starting fluid can. And away King Dave goes. Right on Polaris Scrambler 500 today. Off that slow start. 4-wheel drive, getting that thing going. Smooth and steady run so far. Taking it nice and easy, and he's at about 33 seconds for his first lap. Looks like it's about a perfect minute 6. But that first lap does start from a dead stop. Coming down around the final turn. Still about 15 seconds left. Another good turn. And across the line.
1 minute.
Wow, what a good time there. But not close to his predicted time. That's quite a difference. Let's have a look here. 5.87 seconds off his predicted time. Trying to take King Dave off the podium here. Setting his time to 1 minute and 30 seconds is Loki, our top finalist. Loki is running a lot harder and aggressive lines here today. Setting his time to 1 minute and 30 seconds. Not about how you drive, it's about consistency. Off the line pretty good there. Always tough coming into that first turn. Just smooth and steady. Get it turned around. Come into the second turn, setting up, you got a little speed now, a little bit different than before. Loki running pretty slow and steady here. Nice run there off the turn. Looking at about 38 seconds for his first lap, so he seems to have dialed things in here. Boy, coming down with about half a lap to go and still 40 seconds left on his predicted time. Pitching it in there deep. Looks like another good turn spin. Ooh, he's got it and loose. That could hold into his favor. I'm starting to wonder if he's showing off here. It's about knowing your time. Coming down the line, this is going to be great, folks. 129.72, that is on the money. Let's get the exact number here, but we've got our winner, Loki, going on a victory lap here. 28 hundredths of a second. Now that's a pretty good prediction there. Congratulations to Loki, the King Dave Motorsports Ice Racing Open winner. I hope you subscribe to the channel, guys. We're going for 1,000 subscribers by 2020. Thanks for watching.